Okay, students, this is my presentation. I think that is a good job for me. Let's begin my presentation. Hello, everybody. I am Luis Fernando Padilla Guerrero. I was born in Bogota, Colombia on March 11th, 1988, but I live in the Granada Meta since I was 11 years old. I am 35 years in this moment. I am short, I have brown skin, black eyes, and a little fat. I like the English, play basketball, play guitar, traveling, and watching movies. My phone number is 313-221-0592 and my email address is luisfernando18052010@gmail.com. Now I am a teacher in elementary school in a rural zone in Fuente de Oro Meta. I love teach. Very love teach. The most important for me is my family and especially my son Anthony. This is all. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.